Today I'm going to show you how to recover data after a factory reset on your iPhone. Even if you don't have a backup, this can be a challenging process, but I'll guide you through some methods that may help. First, let's quickly discuss what a factory reset does. A factory reset erases all content and settings in your iPhone, returning to its original state. While this means most of your data is gone, there are still some options to recover it. One of the most effective methods to recover lost data is by using data recovery software. If you had iCloud enabled before the reset, you might be able to recover some data. Here's how. Go to Settings, tap on your name, go to iCloud, and check if any of your data is available for recovery. Remember, this requires you to have iCloud backups set up previously. If those methods don't yield results, you might want to consider professional data recovery services. They can often recover data that software cannot, but be aware that this can be costly. And that's it. While recovering data after a factory reset can be tricky, these methods can help you retrieve some factory important files.